Hello. Good evening. Almost midnight here in the Philippines. Mhm. That's the way it is. Hi, Marcus. Thank you for joining. Marcus wrote, Anna Maria. Hello. Thank you for the watching. Bona. Boneta. Salamat. Thank you for watching. Thank you po. Thank you for the Ana. Ana. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. 3 million. 3 million. Hmm? What is that? You're monetized? Not yet monetized, but I'm the part of the YouTube partner. I reached the one goal. That's why the last goal is monetize the challenge. Thank you so much, Marcus. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you, Marcus. Oh my god, thank you so much. You're welcome. Thanks a lot. Wow. Thank you. $1.49. Thanks a lot. It appeared here in peso in the top of the screen. What the current the value of the dollar in peso. So it says 88.3. Thank you so much. God bless you, Marcos. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching. See, wow. Everyone can send the gift now here. That's great. Thanks a lot. Thank you for the likes. Where are you from, Marcus? Are you living in the US? I think. Does that mean you're in month? Okay. Does that mean you're monetized? Yeah. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm in America. Okay. Where are you in America? Where state you living in America? Ohio, Texas, Chicago, New York, Hawaii, Kentucky, North, South Carolina, Big America, Ohio. Oh wow, from Ohio. Thank you so much. Cause I'm dreaming for you tonight. I like your outfit. Oh, thank you. The the jackets and the thank you. Till tonight. Hey you. Hi Golden. Oh god. You come here. Very long time. How are you, Golden? Hey you. Hey me. Hey you. How are you? It's been a long time. I'm fine. What you doing up doing live? How are you? Do you work today? Do you have work today? I think. Thank you so much. What you doing? It's not late for you. Almost midnight here. Yeah, it's almost midnight. But the kids still playing outside. Oh my god. Kids still playing outside. Even almost midnight here. Yeah, 10:30. And kids are playing outside, yeah. Oh my god. Someday. Hmm. What's up? What's up? Maybe joining the other live. Maybe I'm sorry. Why say sorry? Oh my god. You made mistake for me? Do you have oh my god, something wrong did to me? I didn't understand. Yeah, why say sorry? You did something wrong with me? Because I didn't understand you. Ah, okay. Sorry. Sorry. Ah, I mean, mm, why you want to understand? My god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nothing. I thought you asked me a question. Ah, I said maybe you joined the other live. That's why. Nothing. I thought you asked me a question. I repeat the I join all live. Ah, you join all live? Why all? It's it's tiring. Maybe you like the channel. That's why. We joined the channel because we like the channel. What do you mean? Because it's me. Yeah, but me. If I have time, I need to sleep. Me. That's why I do like because I need to reach the goal. That time is important to rest. If you join all live, oh my god, wow, you like all channel because my favorite are not on, so I join to entertain me. Oh my god, you entertain yourself. Favorite channel, favorite favorite person, favorite one. Do you have a favorite one? Uh, pet? What? Oh my god. Kulay. What? I mean, you said because my favorite one not on. So I don't understand. So I joined to entertain myself. So I don't understand. I think you are sleepy. Yeah, I'm sleepy, but I need to do like to reach the goal more. I'm always sleepy. I love the bed. I love to rest, but many things need to do. Yeah, have you got to your goal? Yeah. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. What's the another one? Thank you. Okay, I got to go now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for joining, Golden. Before I let you go, I want you. Thank you for watching. Three people. Jeffrey Milan, I don't entertain toxic here, so maybe you need to go on another life. I have no time to entertain like you. Sorry, wrong channel you. join. I don't like toxic here, so I have no time to entertain. I'm not like that. Sino ka ba? Bakit ba ganun? Ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ka may kapiling na. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Ako'y nag-iisa. Sino ang ibigin? Ikaw sana. Thank you for a million. Thank you for the 4 million people. Ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ka may kapiling na. Sino ang ibigin ikaw sana? Sa pag-ikot mo. Hi, Chester Hexam. Thank you for joining. You didn't tell you. Didn't I tell you, sweetheart? Congratulations on being monetized. Hooray. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the likes. Aray ko. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Thank you, sir. Welcome to Sheryl Fan. Thank you, sir Chester. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're very welcome there. Congratulations again. Thank you so much, Sir Chester Hickson. Oh my god. I'm happy. Tara, tara, mm, mm. Thank you po. Random things. Pa-shoutout po sa kasama ko sina Maya, Jaja, Colin, Kita, and Mike. Hi! Shoutout to you. Maya, Jaja, Colin, Kita, and Mike from Random Things. Yes. Taga saan po kayo? Random Things. Tell me I'm your first member. Yes, you are the first member. Thank you, sir. You are the first member, Sir Chester. Bacoor po. Bacoor. From Bacoor, Cavite. Shout out to you. Shout out sa inyo mga Jaja Colin Kita from Random Things, Bacoor, Cavite. How to become a member? Maybe need to Chester, how to become how to Sir Chester, how to become a member here. I don't know how. I don't know. May pipindutin. May pipindutin. Pipindutin mo siguro yung yung parang dollar sign. Parang ganon. Tapos, may nakalagay dyan na membership. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Bicol po ako. I'm not familiar. Okay. Sa kasi, yan parang support sa host. Parang ganun. Okay. May dollar sign dyan. Siguro nasa right side ng below ng screen ng phone mo. Tapos sa right side. Tapos may option dyan. So, may member. Parang ganon. How to speak in Bicol? Oragon ka, madam. How to speak in Bicol? Speak in Bicol like, good evening. Marahay na gabi. Good evening. Good morning. Marahay na aga. Something like, go to your profile where it says join and you just simply join. Okay. That's why. Thank you, Sir Chester. Maray na banggi sa Indo na mga visit. No, hindi. Ayoko nagpapapasok dito ng toxic. Alam mo ba yan? You're welcome there. Thank you so much. Disappointed, no? Disappointed sa you're welcome there. Thank you so much. Disappointed to my fellow Filipino because they not respect their kapwa Pilipino. Kapwa Pilipino. Kapwa Pilipino para naman din kita. Tas ganyan ka. Thank you, Sir Chester Hexan. Oh my God. I thought they got here. That's why. Sorry, random things Kaso isang na lang. One wrong move. Ayaw kong sayang ng oras sa mga ganyan. Mga ganyan. Ayoko na mga ganyang attitude. Ayoko may stress. Sayang ng oras, sayang beautiness. Wala na nga beauty. Naku, may stressin pa. My God. Tamang trip kayo, no? Random things. Tamang trip pa. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for the thumbs up. May pa shoutout pang nalala. Kala naman. Hindi ka walan, boy. Alam kong kilala kita marahil. Mapagpanggap pa. Galingan mo magpanggap kasi. Yung hindi nahalata. Insecure ba? Nalalamangan ba? Pa-shoutout pa. I just woke up there. Oh, thank you, Sir Chester. Excellent. Thank you so much. God bless you more, sir. Thank you for teaching me how to live. Thank you, 5 people here. Tumahimik si random. Nako, huwag dito, huwag magkakalit dito. Hindi welcome yun dito sa akin. Ganyan attitude. Basura. Tahimik. Nasira yung plano na. Alright, you happy there smile. Now you're monetized. Your channel is really going to take off. Are not you happy there smile? Now you're monetized. Your channel is really going to take off. I'm happy. I'm happy that not yet fully monetized. Just unlock the super chat, but not fully monetized. The first step I reached the goal, but I need to one more step, one more goal to reach. That's why I need to I need to reach the goal. One more goal. And if I reach, maybe I need to rest for a while because too much. Oh my god, too much working here. Uh, work a lot. Work a lot. I can't clean the home. I can't I can't wash clothes regularly. Something like that. I'm going to take my medicine now. Okay, thank you, Sir Chester Exxon. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the membership. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for the likes. To those hit the like. Thank you. Pa. Oh my god, we're having the kids outside. Still kids outside. Almost midnight here. Thank you, Pa. Hi. Hey, baby. Hi, Pikar Ali. Hello, Pikar Ali. Hello. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. I miss you. You miss me. Do you know me? Do I know you? Yes. Who are you? Thank you so much for people here. Para. Mm, 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 mm. Kalimitan mo. Can you? No. No. I'm not married to someone. I'm not married to someone. Hi, Town Life. Hi from Thailand. Hello. Mm, mm. Why delete that? Thailand. Thailand. Okay, good night. Okay, good night. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you for dropping by here. Sorry, I'm not interested to anyone. I don't like playing. I don't like playing. I don't like something like that. Mm, 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 mm. Good night. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Thank you for teaching me how to love. Mhm. Da-da-da, da, da-da-da-da-da-da. Did you ever think about me? Mm, mm, I don't know what to say. Mm, 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 I don't know what to say. Da, da, da. Mm, 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 mm. Da-da-da, da. Mm, I don't know what to say. Mm, 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 mm. I'm sorry. Someone who's watching. Sino kayo? Can talk? Pwedeng magsalita. Did you say, not yet. Not yet. Not yet set up. Google AdSense. Not yet. Mm. Still here, they're just taking the medicine. Thank you, Sir Chester Exxon. I don't know what to say. Oh my God. Da-da-da. Mm, 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 don't know what to say. Oh, nantok na. Thank you so much. Mhm. Fall sleeping. My God. Talk to me. Tell me your name. And I don't know what to say. Don't fall asleep in the chair, yeah. Thank you, Derek Johns. Thank you. Yeah. Hi, Ali Marks. Hello, Ali Marks. And I don't know what to say. Late there, yeah. Late here. Midnight. I wish my husband like before. Wish is a wish. I want to date an Asian girl. Where are you from? Ali Marks. Oh my god, I need to sleep. I'm going to sleep soon. I'm going to sleep tomorrow morning. I'm not doing live, maybe tomorrow night. See you next live. Thank you so much for joining the live. God bless you. God bless us. Love you all.